Whoever watching this, I'm talking to you, sis. Period. Good morning, y'all. So today is Thursday, January 14th. It's around like 10:15. But welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe on my videos, and go watch my previous videos as well. But right now, I already drank my tea this morning, so I'm about to be on my way to the gym. Gonna get a workout in. I had worked out yesterday, but I forgot to record, so I'll probably record while I'm at the gym if my phone don't go dead. So yeah, stay tuned. Now I am on my way to get some food. We always go to this hibachi restaurant, and it's really good. It's way better than Benihana's. Way better, but we're on our way to get some food now. I left the gym. It was a good workout today, but take the time to get into the skin. Need some skincare products because I wanted to get into a specific skincare routine with like some serum and some good moisturizer, like all of that. Like I had made another skincare video that's in my other vlog, but I want some more stuff to try out because I really want to get into skincare. So right now I am at the shop, and it's like 12 o'clock, about to be 12 o'clock. It's Tuesday, so I had to come here and do some hair, and then I gotta do some makeup, and then later on I'm probably gonna go to the gym. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today.
Excuses. We're all guilty of making them. That's why at CVS, we're making not making excuses a little easier. With lots of shopping and delivery options to get your family the vitamins, supplements, and immunity support
Hey, good morning, y'all. So today is Friday, and I am gonna be so busy, but hopefully it go by smoothly. Right now I'm on my way to pick up my package in Oak Creek, so I gotta do that, and then when I get back I'm gonna be at the shop doing hair and stuff. So it's like, hopefully today go by smooth. I'm hoping to go by smooth. Probably have something else planned. I really want some tacos. So I'll probably get some tacos, and I don't know. Hey y'all, good morning. So today is Saturday, January 16th. It's around like 8:30 in the morning. I just made my tea. I'm about to get ready to go to the gym in a little bit. And yeah, today is not that busy today. I'm surprised because today is a Saturday. I do have to go to the shop and do hair. Last time you guys saw me, I was on my way to pick up my package from Oak Creek, my hair package, because I had to do this girl hair in her wig came. So I started TikTok. You guys should follow me. It's just like my Instagram name is Tiarraa with 2 A's at the end, .a. So it's TIARRAA.a. And yeah, I'm gonna insert my TikTok. Y'all need to go follow me. And yeah, it will be in the description box below. make some brownies because I woke up and I'm like, I want some brownies. I want something sweet. So then I'm like, we got brownie mix in there. That's how I came up with it. But I don't really eat no sweets. I don't really eat chocolate like that. But I want something chocolate. So I want to eat. I'm about to make some brownies. And I probably just get the rest to take it over to my mom's house for my nieces and nephews because I am trying to watch what I eat and not eat that much sweets. So yeah, we finna make some brownies. But first, I'm about to get a cup of this, drink some of this because I want some, and it's good. It's called Middle Sister. It's a sweet and savvy California Moscato. It is so good. My girl Anna Lex, go subscribe to her channel. She put me on to this wine. It's really good. So I'm finna pour this and then we finna get started. Period. And I'm finna pour me a cup because this is so good. I gotta cook, so, and I gotta remember to get the brownies out. So this is all I'm gonna drink, even though I know that's kind of a lot, but I don't really care. Yes, I love that. So let's get started. So I already got my ingredients. So I got the milk chocolate brownie mix, Betty Crocker, because that's what we finna eat today. And then I got the extra virgin olive oil of Italy. I don't really know if you guys can see this, but and then I got organic omega-3 grade A eggs because we want to be a little healthy. And then I got the bowl, and then I got the pan what I'm gonna make them in, which is already greased. I already greased it. And then I got a bowl of water for the cake mix. And then I got a measuring cup because I had to get a half cup of oil, and I used the extra virgin oil, the Italy kind. But I need the whisk. I need a whisk. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, y'all, I just put that in the oven. So we just gotta wait till it get done. And I'm gonna finish sipping my wine because it is so good. But do y'all ever lick the bowl? When I was younger, I used to lick the bowl, but now I don't really lick it. I just be playing with it, but then I rinse it out. But sometimes I probably do me a little swipe and eat it, but now I don't do that no more. That is good though. No, I'm not gonna call y'all YouTubers. My friends, cause y'all my sisters. I call everybody sis. Well, no, I don't. I don't call certain people sis, but I like the word sis. So I'm gonna be like, I'm talking to my sis. Whoever watching this, I'm talking to you, sis. Period. Y'all, I want to start doing more on my channel, like. But what I'm not gonna do is sit here and keep talking to y'all because I already talked them over half of this vlog. So I'll be back when the brownies is done, okay? Okay, y'all, so the brownies are finished. How did I do? I'm done making the brownies. Here's another look. I tried cutting them the best way I can to make them presentable, but we're just gonna leave them at that. So I'm not even gonna lie, I poured me another glass because this is good and I just had to have me another glass. I'm probably gonna be getting some more tomorrow. No, but yeah, so thank you guys for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to interact with my other videos. See you in the next vlog.